Hey guys, I thought this rim won't fit, but I bought some 5mm spacers just in case, because I thought it was rubbing, and I just find out I was not like tightening the bolts completely, so the tire was kind of loose and kind of was bouncing back the spindle, and I thought it was rubbing the spindle, you know. I thought it wouldn't even rotate or anything, but no, it rotates freely. As you can see, there's nothing rubbing in there, anything. And I tried the other side already, and kind of went, even when it's down, I went back and forth just to check, and nothing. And I was like, kind of feel dumb for a moment, because I was, oh man, I bought the spacers, I bought the brakes, the spindles, the extended spindle, just to find out that I was not putting it right. So you guys, if you run into this, if you're getting the two 20x11s with the negative offset, it will fit your RT or SXT spindle. The only thing you gotta do is you gotta cut the fender, yeah, because it's gonna rub. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's why I'm getting this wide body done and finish today. And but I just wanted to share that with you guys. So be careful if you getting tires. Make sure they don't rub the spindle. If you have a native offset, it should not rub. But if your offset is positive, it will. So just keep that in mind, guys. Take care, guys. See you next time.